Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a health supplement and an energy drink from the brand NutriHands, and this is the Jubilant NutriHands Health Supplement. This 400 grams of product retails for 660 rupees. They also have a smaller version, and this 200 grams of product retails for 340 rupees. Healthy lifestyle is not a matter of choice, it is a necessity nowadays, and you cannot choose to be healthy or fit. You have to be healthy for yourself and your family, and it is very important to have a healthy and fit lifestyle. I do videos for YouTube and I also do content writing, and these two jobs, they take a toll on my health a lot because doing a video is a lengthy process. It takes a lot of time and effort to do one video which is for hardly 5 minutes, and also I do content writing, and off lately I was feeling a little tired and little less energetic while doing all these jobs, like doing a video or anything. I was feeling a little low on energy, a little lazy, so I was looking for a health supplement which can basically take care of my needs. So I stumbled upon this guy right behind me, and this is really a very good buy. I take this drink twice a day and I feel so energetic and so refreshed. I can see a positive change in my body. About this NutriHands powder, this is a nutritional formula to help enhance health. This is good for your heart health. This manages your weight, this gives you energy, and this is 100% right. This actually recharges your battery a lot, and this also builds up your immunity. This is the flavor vanilla, and this has high protein. This has low GI glycemic index, and this is very high in fiber. So this is basically good for people who are diabetic. They can also take this because this has no sugar. So basically this immunity drink will take care of your heart health, will help in weight management, and will also take care of your energy and immunity. This has thiamine, which helps in the normal functioning of heart, and this product is trans fat free. This has MUFA, which is MUFA, so that makes this cholesterol free as well. This is very good for people who have high cholesterol. Also, this has soluble dietary fiber, which will help in managing your lipid profile. So I think this is very good for senior citizens as well. This product will also give you a healthy body weight. If you consume this with regular exercising, you'll achieve your desired weight. This has biotin, copper, calcium and iodine, vitamin B5, B12 and a lot of other vitamins and minerals this has. So that will basically boost up your energy, and this has vitamin C also. Vitamin C is known to give you that energy to run marathon. Yeah. This has copper, this has folate, this has iron, this has selenium with vitamin A and vitamin B12, and not to forget zinc. So all these vitamins and minerals, they will support your immune system and they will make you immune. So this is how the powder looks like. If you can see, this is like this is of vanilla flavor, and this has a very nice aroma. I tell you, this smells like vanilla custard kind of a fragrance this has, and I take this twice a day, and this is not heavy at all. This doesn't feel heavy at all, and you can either take this with water, 180 ml of water, or you can take this with milk. It's your choice. If you are looking forward to lose weight, then I think you should take this with water. I take this with water personally. Basically, you have to take this in 180 ml of water. You have to just mix this in normal room temperature water, and just take 3 scoops, mix it up, just stir well, enjoy, to consume it immediately. Okay, so I'll just show you how this looks after preparation and all. I'll show you. So yeah, so let's see. This also has a scoop. I mean, I think this is obvious. This has a scoop. So yeah, so I'll just get some water and I'll be back. So here I am with 180 ml of water. I can easily drink in this cup, but then you won't be able to see the tone and texture of this drink. That's why I'm using this transparent glass. Otherwise, I mostly drink this in my NutriHands cup. Okay, so I have to put 3 scoops of this powder into this water. And also, once you open this, make sure you consume the contents within 30 days. Do not just keep it for more than 30 days. So let's just do this. Stir it up. This has an amazing fragrance, and I think this will taste very good with milk as well. So this is how the liquid looks like after making. This looks like milk. Okay. This has an amazing taste. This tastes like vanilla exact. So this has a very nice taste. I hope I don't have mustache. This has an amazing taste. My personal experience with this product is very good. I feel very energetic while using this product, and this has a very nice taste. This has no bad aftertaste also. This won't make you feel heavy or something. You will feel fuller, and that is good in a way. That will help in weight management. You will feel fuller, and this is healthy. This will not let you gain weight. So I think this is a healthy alternative rather than having some junk food. Or if you're hungry, just have a drink. In my opinion, I think you should give this drink a try. This is really very nice, and most important thing is this is very tasty. So I think you should give this a try. If you are feeling low, I think you should buy this. And yes, yeah, so that was it. I hope you liked my take on Nutrihan's immunity boosting energy drink, and I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.